lot of water splatting around and without ruining the light. Yeah, welcome back to the channel. I'm thinking so much about a new garage. I'm missing that and things, and have more plans coming. But now, for just learning something new while I wait for my ideas to be finished. You see, I have a lot of double tube lighting, maybe English, Norwegian. So I have two in the top here, plus one in the front. I have two on each side. I have one in each corner. So when I turn on everything here and this one start to get warm, I have a lot of light. But I was thinking, okay, I was seeing on a special offer on the LED system. So instead of just changing the bulbs up here, I've just bought two lamps. So I'm trying to just take down this one and put up an LED light and see. So I'm going to pick it up now and we can see. Yeah, that's some guy at work. I've been buying this LED. It's 44 watts and it's up to 5,000 lumen in 360 degrees. 4,000 Kelvin, so it's quite cold. Supposed to live 25,000 hours. So I was thinking to put up this, change of the one in back here and put up this one instead. So let's see. I don't remember how I just screwed it up with things like that. Okay. See if I have some. Yeah, actually, right one. Let's say about this one is made so it's supposed to be waterproofed in the ends or splat proofed, so you can have a lot of water splatting around and without ruining the light. Now just have to see how to put it up. There! Ah! That was bright. That was really bright. Now I just have to take down this one too. You see, everything here is just made simple. Yeah. No, I'm seeing that the exposure on the camera gets fooled because of this bright light in the back. But the garage is, with that one, is much brighter. And of course then I have taken down the one that was hanging here. So now, just have fixed that one up. Just put on that. See if I can move away from the picture. Just put on this one too. Yeah. The old ones here is shit, it's 40 watts. One of this old light bulb is 40 watts. So it's 80 there, 44 there, 44 there with the LEDs. And everyone, yeah, and 80 there. Yeah, there's no point thinking more about this. This light is a lot better. So then I can see if I just buy more of this and put up there and also in the back, because now it's also a special offer, 250 Norwegian kroners for one, and for my use this is a lot better, not a flickering old system. For the video making that, this is much better. Maybe instead of hanging it up in the roof like that one, maybe I just put it on the wall. I have to see. Maybe I cross it a little. Because when I'm working in front here, I have the car in there. I open the bonnet here. Then maybe I should have the light little further here. I have to see about that, but yeah, this light was nice. Very nice. It's a lot whiter light, so that is okay. Easier to make be white on my videos. So yeah, we'll see. For my next garage, when I build it, I'm going to put up things like this. It's much better. Make my life easier. The old one, I get them very cheap. In the old days I had a lot of them. So now I can see. Maybe I give them away to someone. Maybe I just put them in the place where I stored cars and put on light there. You have to see. But yeah, thank you for coming by. I'm hoping to start to get to make more videos again now. So please come back. Please subscribe to the channel. And please give me ideas and information what to do for the new garage. I have a video. I can try to put a link up here to the video where I talk about, I'm not sure what to do with the garage. So please come back. So thank you.